Hi guys, Brandon here from Rider UK. Today I'm going to run through a few of the features that you can use on Calimoto. If you want the full review, visit rideruk.com. So we'll go into the trip planner, and in the right sidebar we can choose a start point and a destination, and a route will be generated. We can see the distance of this route in kilometers at the moment, but I'll show you how to change that to miles if you prefer, how long it should take to complete the route, and then this feature is the indication of how twisty the route will be. Out of 100, we're looking at a 47, and this feature is called the Calimoto. So if we go into settings, we can change kilometers to miles, and while we're here, we'll activate this option, which allows me to add via points simply by left clicking on the map. So we'll add a few of those. Now you can see it changed the order, so if I wanted to rearrange that, I go in the sidebar and I can just drag and drop any of my locations to change the order. And between any 2 points, I can also choose which kind of route I'd like to take, from the fastest to the fastest without motorways, twisties, or if you're a premium member, you can choose the super twisties. Now if I wanted to save this, I can save the ride, upload it in my rides or my favorites, or export it via GPX file to my GPS system. Alternatively, if I did save it into my rides and had the app, I could upload it on my phone and use that as my navigation system. Now the last two features I want to show you on the trip planner are under this icon, which are a forecast for the weather for the next 24 hours, and that will span across the screen so you can see what kind of conditions you'll be riding in. And then this icon shows you your points of interest, including petrol stations or restaurants. Now if you click on one of those, it'll tell you to zoom in so you can see them, and these icons will indicate where there are restaurants, and you could of course add those also into your route. If we want to create a round trip, we go into the trip planner, we type in our location that we want to start from and finish in this bottom left bar, and then we choose create round trip. Now this will generate a random trip with a few via points. It will tell us the information at the top once it's generated it, in miles, how long it should take to complete, and of course give us the Calimoto reading. We can recalculate a round trip and it will choose another route, or we could reverse it. A few more options are under more, round trip planner, where you can choose the distance of it yourself, or you can choose which direction you'd like to head out from, example north, northeast, west. You can adjust those sort of criteria and it will create a trip for you. So again, you could save this or export it and then upload that to your navigation system and begin riding. If we're looking for inspiration from other Calimoto users, we can go into the Discover tab. We can enter our location and then change the distance in kilometers of a ride which somebody else has uploaded for us to replicate. We can add tags to specify what we're looking for, including fast routes, twisty routes, waterside routes, and they'll all be displayed underneath the map of the route. They can also add pictures or a description, and the distance of the route will also be displayed. We can click on that and it will display the route on the map, which we can start planning and edit if we choose to, or we can export it to our GPX. If you'd like to see more information on pricing, go to Information, Pricing, and it will show you what a premium subscription costs and gives you. And if you paid a one-off payment for the all maps, you will get offline world maps for $59.99. These options come with the free version and they're extensive, and I would highly recommend downloading the app to give yourself a feel for what you might be in for if you were to buy the premium subscription. Now I hope you've liked this video. If you have, give it the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I've been Brandon on behalf of Rider UK. Until the next time, keep it real and keep it two wheels.